Two.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello? Vincent, you're going to install some car parts today? Yes. What's this?
I don't know what it is.
What do you mean you don't know what this is? It's TOMS. We're going to install it for your car, okay? Brand new. Let's go, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Please.
Okay, you going to install it?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Cheese.
Open.
Rico. Cook. Ush. Oh. Ush.
Pull. Harder. With the liner properly removed, you get access to these bolts. It's only 3 of them, which is here, here, and there. These just take little sockets. This just force right off. And now, take them off. Should pop right off. Yeah, of course, disconnect it. Of course, the fitment of TOMS is pretty OEM and clean. So my boy didn't like the taillights, and wife didn't like it either. So I'm going to sell it. No big deal. Right, baby? Yes. Run away! I'm gonna get you!
Bye. Yummy?
I'm so sad. This diffuser doesn't work with the Rocket Bunny diffuser. It actually looks really, really nice and finished. Like it's perfect. It looks aggressive. Doesn't stick out too much. It's noticeable. The curve really fits the opening. But I don't have any mounting points on this side or the middle, which is right here. I got nothing. And I can't just use the back where it connects to the end link. But it does look really good though. It fits so well. Or it looks like it fits so well, but it doesn't fit at all.